This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about frying pans, specifically this Metlux stainless steel non-stick frying pan. It's a 10-inch diameter pan that's induction ready. These pans are also available in an 8 and 12-inch size. They feature a great non-stick coating to really help keep foods from sticking and also burning. These pans transfer heat really well. It's got a nice long handle to help keep your hands away from the heat for extra safety, and it's secured with 3 rivets for a really nice, durable, long-lasting tool. It can be used on induction cookers or regular ranges for a fantastic versatile tool as well. It's got a hole on the end of the handle, meaning you can use it with your hooks or pot racks. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, and a great frying pan to have on hand in any kitchen, whether that's commercial or in your own home.